Folks, Sean PRV here with Bell Camper Sales. I'm standing next to the newest model fifth wheel made by Phoenix, which is made by Shasta, which has been around since 1941. It's kind of like Bell's Camper Sales here in Bartlesville. We've been around pretty long too, since 1967, third generation. What I'd like to do is go over the new features of this brand new floor plan on this unit. So if you'll come with me, we'll start on the outside first. Folks, welcome back to Bell's Camper Sales Bartlesville. I'm Sean PRV, and we are looking at the exterior of a 2024 370 BAF. Loads of storage on this puppy. It goes all the way through on the nose. There's your load leveling system, battery disconnect, propane tanks on both sides. We fill those for you before you take them home. Give you free 2 nights stay in our campgrounds. A $50 gift certificate to our parts department. Look at the storage on that. There's where your battery is and your load leveling system. You can see that. Propane tank on both sides. Like I said, here's the opposite door. Lots of storage in the nose of this. That's just right underneath the bunk model inside that window. You got 4 slides on this puppy. Outdoor speakers. Big, long, wide awning. Goes clear from 3/4 from the back, clear to almost the very front. Nice big windows. On your bed slide, that's where your king bed is, inside this bedroom slide here. Got a fully walkable roof. Got a 12-year limited time warranty on this roof. Fully walkable, like I said. You have a place for a backup camera and a place for a hitch to put a small trailer on if you'd like. So here is your decking spot. You got lights a light right here, and then you have also outlets right there, electrical outlets right there. That's where your drain outlet is, down underneath. Really nice unit. And I mentioned it had 4 slides. It actually has 3 slides. So it has the opposing slides in the kitchen and living room area, and then the bed slide in back. Lots of windows on this unit. Makes it nice, bright, and wide open inside. So this is the 2024 370 BAF